Jess and I are on an adventure. Berapa harga?
11.000.
11.
Kalian parkir.
Okay.
How much it cost?
19,000.
19,000.
It's about $1.50.
Let's see, is it worth it for 19,000?
Terima kasih.
There's a lot of plants, so green.
I like it when it's foggy. Don't fart in there because you have your microphone on. So there's a different price for pee, a price for pooping, and a price for taking a shower.
Sana enak itu pemandangannya.
Oh, boleh lihat
View-nya
ya, Pak?
enak, view-nya.
Iya, kita mau ke air terjun sih, tapi
Ah,
kan
enak.
harus jalan kan
Enak.
turun ya, Pak ya.
Itu view-nya ya. Ini tomat.
Ini terong ya, Pak?
Tomato. Oh, eggplant.
Eggplant.
It's kopi?
Kopi.
Oh.
Kopi.
Itu kambing juga.
Are they ready?
Pusing-pusing darahnya tinggi, itu makannya itu langsung kayak timun. Ini kan setekan dari melon, terong, timun.
Pagi.
Beli apa?
Kamu punya kopi?
Kopi itu. Mau.
Cappuccino?
Cappuccino habis. Tinggal ini. Yang mana?
Kopi hitam?
Kita mau
Ya.
ya. Berapa?
Berapa?
Di sini.
How many? Oh, satu hitam.
Satu yang hitam, Ibu.
Nah, satu apa?
And what do you want?
Nah.
Kamu siapa nama?
Kamu namanya siapa?
Yeah. It's microphone for the camera.
What?
Ta-da! This is it, Kedung Kayang Waterfall, Magelang, Indonesia. If you want to visit this place and you want to see the waterfall, I suggest you to use short pants or short jeans and use sandals or sneakers. You'll figure it out why I say that.
Okay, we've turned our jeans into jorts. And we've taken off our shoes. Now we're ready.
Ready.
going the hard way. It's slippery.
card selected for today. See, it's really beautiful. But in real life, this waterfall is bigger than this video. So if you like to travel, if you love nature, please I beg you to add this place to your travel list. And for your information, this place is not crowded at all. So it's really good for you to have a quality time with your partner or even your family or even yourself. It's really, really worth it.